Ukrainian designer Roman Pryadko has introduced a stunning new concept for the legendary LuAZ SUV, combining the best of classic design with cutting-edge automotive trends. This reimagined version of the iconic Soviet car caters to those who cherish the nostalgia of old models, while embracing the comfort and technology of the 21st century. The original LuAZ, known for its compact off-road vehicles, gained popularity in the USSR for its ruggedness and practicality. However, as the years passed, more modern vehicles replaced it, and the LuAZ brand faded into history. Pryadko's concept brings this legend back to life, merging its distinctive heritage with contemporary design. The new LuAZ has a 5-door body with hidden rear handles, giving it a sleek, 3-door appearance, a stylish and practical solution. Its modern features include a hard roof with robust cargo rails, extended wheel arches for an aggressive off-road stance, and external storage compartments for extra gear. Key upgrades also include modern driver assistance and safety systems, enhanced performance for both city and off-road driving, potential for electric or hybrid powertrains to align with eco-friendly trends. Roman Pryadko's concept not only revives the LuAZ brand but also pays homage to Ukraine's automotive legacy. This project is a powerful reminder that classic designs can thrive in today's world, offering a fresh take on a timeless legend.